So I do have a project I want to work on, and it's very time specific. It's going to happen in latter June to early July, and that is making cuttings of plants in the forest, mainly succulents, that can go directly in the ground after they heal a little bit, because succulents like to heal if you do cuttings. And it's really easy to teach someone how to do it, so you don't have to have skill for it. And I want to give those cuttings away to a bunch of people in town. Now, this is not tons of hours of work, but it's some hours of work. And it's a gift to the local communities. It's to get those plants out there. Now, those don't have direct human value, but the birds really like the flowers, and some other pollinators like hummingbirds do as well. And this ups my reputation in town, which is good. It's good for security, it's good for friendship and long-term survival of a community. So once I get them out there, they continue to be really easy to reproduce. And so putting them out there, other people can take cuttings as well. In fact, there's a public road. I can put them around some trees that they put in that road. They've worked really hard to put them in, because they put them in and then they get squished by cars, and they put them in, they get squished by cars. Now there's like boards stuck in the ground around them so that it won't get squished by cars. So this is a way for me at fairly low cost, it's labor cost, to give to the town. And that's super important to me, because I'm going to be here till I die. And after I die, hopefully there'll be other people that live here, and they also have to have a good reputation inherited from me. So the forest itself can provide all this great plant material. I can also give classes on how to reproduce plants, in this case, super easy ones. It's great beginning, way to start out. And then I can also work on some plants there's some bulbs I could dig up that have cool flowers, for long-lasting flowers that also birds and bees like. And so we can get those out into town. And so it's a way to kind of start seducing the local communities into food forest farming. Well, there's no food involved, not for people, but for wildlife. And bees make honey. And I would also like to encourage beekeeping. There's already some beekeeping around, but there could be more beekeeping. So that's a cool project. That's going to require a special effort. Late June, early July is, because of the rains, that's when it has to happen. There can be some peripheral work to prepare for that at other times of the year. And I definitely need to work on relationships with people in some cases, like there's a lady over there who I've given her plants for her yard, because her yard's super public and she's really into plants and she's really nice. And so I've given her pieces of plants, or I've also given her seeds, hoping that she'll germinate them. I don't know her level of success with that. I've given seeds to other people. And so I'm an activist, not of the kind that blocks roads, not an annoying one, but the giving kind of one that encourages building a new world to replace the old one. If you want to be part of that, let me know. I'm looking for people who are as dumb as I am, because they want to give more than they take.